This is actually what she picked. This is what she picked. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you guys everything and how everything looks like. This is actually what she picked. Yesterday when I took her out, I was expecting her to, but she said this is what she wants, for now. So I paid for it and we brought it home. So today I'm going to fix it. Just follow me. I will open the carton. You will see everything and what is inside and how it looks like. Don't go anywhere. Just drop your comment. Tell me what you think. What was she thinking? Just tell me why you think she will go for this. Just follow me. Let me open the carton and this
To be honest, some African men, majority are not romantic. It's only few. Start from number 1. So, see you guys. So. So guys, so it is time to fix the handle now. Up to more than 2 hours now, but I'm just, I'll pause the video and I continue again. I don't just want to make the video long, so it is up to, I started this thing by 10. Oh, okay, let me see 11. Now it's 1 o'clock. Now it's 5 minutes past 1. So I'm about to do the finishing now, the last stage now. So this is the last stage. As you all know, this is the last stage now. So guys, wow, you see it? So anyway, this is what she wanted, you know, and this is a thermometer. I fixed the thermometer. Yeah, as well. So now, so now it's I don't know if there is any other thing I'm missing. So guys, this is it. Wow. So this is barbecue. So I can actually open if I want the smoke to be going out from here. The smoke to be going out, or I have to take it, or you close them. You close them. So this is it. And this is where you see the temperatures. When the temperature is up to 100, 150, 200, you know, up to 300, 400, up to 400. So this is the inside. You do your grilling here, and you open it from here. You just have to open it then you put your charcoal or your coal. You put them here, then you light the coal. Then you close it from here. It's closed. Then if you want it to come up, then you have to wind it up here. You do the winding. You are seeing it coming up. You are seeing it coming up. It's come up to this level. Now it's up here now. If you want it to go down, you don't want to get hot. You just want it to be steaming. Then you do the winding. You wind down. You wind down. Then it goes down. Here. So here, if you want to put, if you want to have a tray, here it can only carry 5 kg. Here, anything you are going to put here, it does not exceed 5 kg here. You can also as well bend it, close it, and this is like a board, a tray, a board here. Then here you can, if you want to take away the ashes after you might have, you are done with your grilling, you draw this pan out, then you take away the ashes from the coal. Then here as well, you can also put anything you want to put, maybe your knife, your ingredient, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. That is it. So drop your comments. What do you think? Hopefully everybody be okay. Hopefully everybody okay. On Jacob, peace out. Share this video. God bless you. Peace out.